Wondering how to wipe your iPhone and start fresh? Here's how to factory reset your iPhone the right way. First of all, back up your data either to iCloud or your computer because once it's gone, it's gone. Now, go to your Settings app, then tap on General and scroll all the way to the bottom and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap on Erase all content and settings. Then tap Continue and just follow what your iPhone tells you. It will guide you through the steps. You might be asked for your passcode, your Apple ID password, and to confirm that you really want to erase everything. Once that's done, your iPhone will begin wiping all data, settings, and apps. Then give it a minute. When it restarts, you will see the hello screen like it's brand new. And that's it. That's all for today's video. Thank you all for watching till the very end and stay tuned for our next upload.